Granny Chio? When are Mother and Father coming back?
Oh, they'll be gone a little bit longer.
Oh, I see.
This puppet master jutsu is as old as our family. What do you think? You want to begin learning how to do it? I want you to try and build your own puppet.
My own puppet?
Фотография твоя, горят воспоминания о тебе.
Have a safe journey!
У камина в 6
Grandmother Chio!
разбитая душа.
Well, no, dear, they're not. But I just received word from them saying for you to stay with me until their return. At the time, I simply couldn't bring myself to tell him the truth. I felt that Sasori was too young to know about his parents' deaths. I wasn't there for him when he was suffering the most. Sasori was perceptive. He'd already figured out his parents were dead.
This puppet body of mine can't feel any pain.
How can you treat people this way?
The teachings and customs of the Sand Village did this. We all share the blame for making him what he is today.
Well, Lady Chio, it's really over. You did it.
No, dear. The wrong person was defeated in battle today. It should have been me instead.